Today we will learn what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is the method of expressing a natural number greater than 1 as the unique product of prime numbers. Got it? Example 1. Prime factorization of 9. Observe here 9 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 3 and 3. So, prime factorization of 9 equals 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 3 square. Got it? Remember, there is no other combination of prime numbers whose product is 9. This is why a number's prime factorization is always unique. Got it? Example 2. Prime factorization of 45. Observe here 45 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 3, 3 and 5. So, prime factorization of 45 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Got it? Now, let's see advantages or uses of prime factorization. Prime factorization is used to find HCF, to find LCM, to simplify fractions, to check whether a number is prime or composite, to find common factors. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.